Because I've been surprised. Straight away I'll move. So it's the movement that creates. Again, we can go down low, but I don't like going down there because as you come from here, as soon as I release this hands, I know hands are coming. So I want to be that position where I can attack on his limbs. Okay? Again, never underestimate the kick drop.
Because it's so unexpected, how big.
So important, bro. Again, from here, as you come into set up, I kick you from the inside, I kick you from the outside.
So I just
And then I come from the middle.
So I just like that one, as you say, as soon as you set up and you do that, you know, you just can't get, it doesn't matter how tall they are, he comes and it's like
automatically he knows, you know what you do. Okay? So it doesn't matter what scenarios, the boxer it's coming here. BAM! I'm over. It's over. Because of the movements that we create. Again, you can throw punches at us. Because we've got this. We don't like a lot of people do all that movements. You just don't start throwing punches against us, you're just going to get it. Okay? We don't. That's not my aim. Because my aim when I start moving. You're gaining momentum by me doing this. Okay? But if you punch, and I'm there. What's happened there?
just get the break away.
So it doesn't matter if I've got no weapons, because I'm here. It allows me a certain degrees to start. But again, don't forget from this position, even if you stop their hands, these are there. Okay? So from here, through. Okay? Again, sneaky as I am. My leg goes over there. I control my head. You know what I mean? So I've created that line. I've created a line where I come over. I'm being horrible. I'm going to come here. Control. But this is in the space of the second. You know what I mean? Again, the same. From here, I've created a line. I'm going to attack your arm. Okay, attack the arm up. As I'm attacking the arm up, I'll come down. I'm going to do this. That's what makes it so different.
Let's say it's the ones where you get.
No reactions now. When I punch, see what I mean? See the movements that we create. Boom. On top. Okay? But don't forget.
That's what.
The shot. Okay? Even as a fighter, I get to that manage this down. You've still got 100% of that attacking position from here.
Take the press.
Yeah.